Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you to the famous Centro of Playa del Carmen, to a restaurant called La Famiglia. So make sure you stay tuned so that you can see the #1 pizza place in all of Playa. Dave and Rose Travels, make sure you subscribe. Subscribing is the only way to see more. La Famiglia Pizzeria, offering the best Italian cuisine made daily with fresh local ingredients, famous for their pastas and over 50 types of pizzas. La Famiglia is located at the Ahava Hotel by Guru Hotel, 10th Avenue, Sur 10, Centro Playa del Carmen. If you haven't seen our last video where we take you to Playa del Carmen's famous Avenida Quinta, 5th Avenue of Playa del Carmen. Nighttime is when Playa del Carmen's 5th Avenue comes alive. Then we take you to the Parque Los Fundadores. So if you haven't seen that video is a must-see. Make sure you watch that. La Famiglia. Not only do they sell 50 different types of pizza and many types of pasta, they also sell fresh coffee, fresh baked pastries, fresh pressed juices, calzones, spirits, wine and beer. I mean, just take a moment to look at their menu. So in my opinion, if you're looking for some really good pizza, go to La Famiglia. They have a great atmosphere, tasty pizzas, wonderful people, Wi-Fi. We ordered the tasty pepperoni and mushroom pizza and a tasty mixed green salad. I definitely will go back because La Famiglia was a great pizza place. Dave and Rose Travels. Make sure you're subscribed because subscribing is the only way to see future content. Subscribe, maybe give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when the next video is out.
Later.
In our next video, we take you along with us to the Mega Soriana. The Mega Soriana is a massive grocery store, guys. It was definitely a fun video to make, and I hope to go back in the near future so that I can do a much better extended video of this grocery store. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can see that. We still have lots of Playa del Carmen fun up ahead, so make sure you're subscribed. Dave and Rose Travels.